we can get started with Google Ads as always.
Okay.
For the past 7 days, we had 2 conversions, our 2 form submissions, both of which came in from General Therapy ad group. Last week it was a bit slower. We haven't had any form submissions. This week it's 2, and you probably had another few phone calls from the website because here we're tracking only form submissions. So this is what people were searching, like mental health near me, therapist near me, therapist. There were some things, Rodriguez counseling, Starla King. So excluded some of the keywords, but everything else was pretty relevant, like marriage counseling near me. Yeah, we only had 4 clicks from the couples. The rest came in from black therapists, general, and for the budget. So like I usually increase it by like a few dollars a day. So you can tell me the max you want, and I can slowly increase it over the next 7 days. So the good thing is there's still a lot of search volume, so we are only maybe appearing for the total of 20%, 5 to 20% of all the people that search. So we have plenty of space to increase the budget and get more people. So Google here is recommending as much as 60, 84. So yeah, I guess I can start with a few dollars a day over the next 7 days, and then we can. If you plan on like bringing 5 extra people in the next 30 days, then maybe I can start to increase like $4 a day. That way we'll land at about $40 a day next week, and then we can.
I would do that then, because I need it to be sooner than later. So
that makes sense. Cool. Let me increase it about $24 right now. Just confirm this on my phone. Sounds good. So yeah, I will continue to increase it every day until our next meeting, and then we'll see.
And see where we are next week. Okay.
So we're only tracking form submissions. Let me pull up SCS. For the scraper, it's still working. Open file. So it's set to run every 6 hours.
Got it.
So while my computer is running, every 6 hours it shapes the data and sends it.
Got it. From Psychology Today and Alma.
And Alma, yeah. For SCS, everything seems to be running smoothly. Sort of as an extension of SCS, that hiring that SCS domain that you purchased, we could set something up on hiring.LCSWVibes.org. You don't have to have a separate domain.
Yeah, I do have one that I need to look at too. There's somebody that purchased the course yesterday, and for some reason she messaged and was like, hey, I don't have access to it, and it's not automatically sending it to them anymore. Like every other person will get it sent, and then we have to manually send it to other people. So I don't know what is there a glitch in Go High Level, or what that might be looking like for this, how the Facebook leads aren't showing up here anymore. They only show up on our phones, but no new leads show up in here.
Yeah, so we talked about that, and I thought that you followed up with everyone, and that's why they were not showing up. And then he said, I may have accidentally created some sort of workflow or something that moves them to no response or something like that. And he was like, oh, never mind, I will check it myself.
Okay.
But I saw that.
I noticed some of them haven't been over there, and I thought it was just a glitch on his computer, but I haven't seen any of them. But we get leads all the time on our phones. It's just not showing up here. So I was like, oh, that's kind of weird.
I will double check again. He told me like, oh, I will check myself.
Yeah. See, because I told him it might have been a him thing, but then I looked at mine and it was on the same thing. So I was like, I thought it was something he did. I mean, he could have did it, I guess, for all of it, but I don't know. It's not showing up under the new leads category.
Give me a second. So the last person that ignored Facebook, just in case, because sometimes the email can end up in her spam folder.
Okay.
So I can see it's not opened, it's delivered, but not open.
So
I'm assuming it's in the spam.
Got it. Okay.
So yeah.
So I do know I want to increase ads for sure, and I want to start the ones for Texas. So increase the ads for Virginia, start the ones for Texas. The ones for Texas, right now it's just mostly self-pay. I am being credentialed, but credential can take 3 to 6 months. So I have my admin and another company that's looking at it. I'm seeing who can get the fastest, work on it the fastest. So I might pay the company to do some extra ones that my admin just hasn't gotten to yet. So that's why I've been waiting for Texas to get more insurances. So I think I'll wait next week till I get an update, because I'm waiting to get an update from the credentialing to see where I'm at. Some of Texas, I know I'm credentialed already, but I gotta just wait and go back and see what it looks like and where I'm at. But with Virginia, it's a go, and I definitely need to hire. And my goal is about 5 people within the next 30 days. So I would say definitely boosting it for that. Right now, I focus on social workers. She takes residents. So a little bit of both. I told I would help her out with just like, I'm running the ads. It's not going to hurt just to add the name residents in counseling or LPC supervisees in there or something, just to kind of residents, I guess. It's going to take some movement from where we at, because I think I've been staying in this range for a while, and we get referrals. We're able to breathe with what we have, but definitely not able to breathe if I plan on bringing on 5 people within the next 30 days. So I know I'm going to have to expend more on ads for sure.
Yeah, well, that's a good point. If you plan on like bringing 5 extra people in the next 30 days, then maybe I can start to increase like $4 a day. That way we'll land at about $40 a day next week, and then we can.
I would do that then, because I need it to be faster, sooner than later. So yeah. And when they're in the community, we get so many emails saying, "Oh, I finished the course," and they're in the sneak peek. They're not in the actual course. So we still weren't able to figure out why it's not in there, right? Because I told my assistant and Julian that it wasn't in, they don't have access to it in the actual learning tab, because that's what we have all been telling everyone. And you were saying it's a reason they can't have access to it in there. So now people are still going there. And when they go in there, they're completing a standalone, not a standalone, the sneak peek. And then they're like, "Oh, I got my certificate. Where's the rest of the course?" And we're like, "That's not the course. It's just a sneak peek." So just trying to figure out how to streamline that so it's not so, confusing. Like why? Because I don't know why. You were explaining, but I still can't get why it wouldn't show up in the course itself. Like in the...
because the 297 standalone is not currently inside the community.
So could we, well, it's kind of late now, but if we run ads, we probably don't want to have that headache the whole time. So maybe I can change the one that says premium or elite, whatever. I was trying to go in there and change that. See where it says private tutoring and elite course. Like that's the course there too, but we don't do private tutoring anymore, or the elite success program. Yeah. Like that's for people who pay the full amount. So that's why I didn't want to change those, but it's all the same course. But it'd be hard to like see the name when we go to what they purchased and it has that name on it. We'll think they're supposed to get a whole lot more than what they're supposed to get.
So I recommend like adding self-paced elite standalone course and not all by buy now. And if I put like 279 here, I believe that people that already purchased this will automatically have the course, but I can add it here. Now, keep in mind that I cannot change the price. People cannot use discount codes on this one. So I think the reason we removed it previously is because we wanted to run discount codes and stuff like that. Yeah. So people in the community would have to pay the full price, and this would be...
Oh, okay. That's why you said we weren't doing it. So we'll just have to wait. You did say that, so we'll still have to wait, because right now they're using a discount code until the end of March.
Now everyone in the community will probably, the way the community is set up, everyone will get an email saying a new course has been added. Are you logged in as an admin or as a regular user?
I added as a regular well, when I go there, I can see all the stuff, but it never showed that course for me. So I was thinking either way, if it's in there, or if I refresh, it should show that course.
Yeah.